In 2011, I quit my job and moved into a van named Gertie. I wanted to eat at every single vegan restaurant in the country. By the summer of 2013, I completed my mission, having visited 48 states and dined at more than 500 restaurants. After the trip ended, I wrote a book about it, became self-employed, and have since remained largely nomadic with a focus on living a life of intention around my greatest passions. This is my daily vlog documenting my travel and vegan foodie excursions. Welcome to We'll Travel for Vegan Food.
We'll travel for vegan food.
It says it's at 100%, but it has not posted yet, or for the last 20 minutes. It does not look pleasant outside, but I have an hour before I need to leave this room at Sanctuary Guest Suites, and I really want to get an acai bowl. I looked up a place, there's one not too far, so I'm just gonna make a go for it while I wait for that to finish uploading. I don't have an umbrella.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, I've got about 20 minutes to make it back to Sanctuary Guest Suites where I've been staying so that I can eat this and then head uptown to the next place I'm staying at. Okay, I've got 15 minutes to eat this acai bowl, which looks very promising.
Welcome to New York, a couple days after you got here.
Thank you. Okay, I moved my stuff uptown to a friend's place here where I'll be staying the rest of the week. And now I'm gonna go grab lunch at Peace Food Cafe, one of my favorite places in the city. Then I'm gotta do some work, then come back here to change for the book signing tonight at Mushu's. Super excited for tonight. It's my book signing at Mushu's in the Lower East Side. It's gonna be great. It's from 7 to 9. We're gonna have an introduction and some stand-up by vegan comedian Jamie Kilstein. Yeah Dog is an all-vegan hot dog cart. They're gonna be there serving food. We're also gonna have sweets from Sweet Solace. I'm headed back to my friend Eric's place now. I'm gonna chill for a minute, maybe do a little bit of more work before getting ready for the book signing. So quiet in Central Park today. It's nice. I keep forgetting that I can wear sunglasses now that I'm wearing contact lenses instead of regular glasses. That's better. Time to head to the book signing.
dog action, then I seem like a weirdo who's like only talking to the children.
Thank you again. Ariella and I just had dinner at Paula, which I love the gnocchi at that place. It's one of my favorite things to get when I'm in the city. I feel like I keep saying that though everywhere. Like, this is my favorite thing, but I guess that makes sense that I would just be going to my favorite places. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna say good night. Please remember to eat well and travel often, and I'll see you tomorrow.